This stock is ready to give 20 to 25% returns in the short term, and it has all the potential to deliver 60 to 70% returns in the medium term as well. Now, the first and the best thing to know about this particular company is it's a monopoly business, and secondly, there is a very high entry barrier into this business, because of which other companies cannot directly enter into this business, and because of that, this company enjoys the highest market cap. Now, from the past 10 years, every year, each year, this company is posting higher revenues and higher profits from the previous year. Every year, this company is increasing their profits. Only at the time of COVID, revenues were down because at that time, majority of businesses were closed. And this stock is listed on exchanges in October 2019. So at that time, it was listed around some 125 rupees. And from there, 125, it is rallied to almost 1250. It is almost a 10x rally. And from there, it has now corrected and now trading around 750. And now it has given the technical signs कि अभी यहाँ से वापस रैली आ सकता है. अभी तक कंफर्मेशन नहीं हुआ है. So make sure to watch this video till very end so that you would understand कि कंफर्मेशन कब देगा और when you guys can enter into this stock and you can enjoy this 20 to 25% returns. Even it has potential to deliver इससे ज़्यादा भी returns. So make sure to watch till very end. Okay, I'll tell you the name of the stock. The name of the stock is IRCTC. Let's quickly move towards the analysis of this stock.
Okay, so guys, you can see that this is the daily chart of IRCTC, and I'll just quickly show you. Give me a second. Okay, so here you guys can see that it has been consolidating from past almost few months, almost 8 to 9 months. If you see that this high, it has created exactly 1 year back, and from them it is consolidating. I'll just quickly move towards the weekly analysis, weekly chart, because weekly analysis is very important. And you guys can see that it is listed in October 2019. From there, it has rallied to almost 300, 400 zones. And at the time of COVID, all the stocks were down. So that time it has came down. Again, it has consolidated. And after that, it has given breakout. And from there, it has almost given highs of 1250. उसके बाद में एक अच्छा खासा अभी करेक्शन हुआ है, विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि जब भी स्टॉक 10x इतनी बड़ी रैली देता है ना, तो हम लोग ऐसा कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि फ्रॉम देयर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक शुड कीप ऑन मूविंग फॉर द हायर साइड. ये करेक्शन हुआ है, दैट्स अ हेल्दी साइन. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द डेली चार्ट, now daily chart stock has created a very good structure. You guys can see that कि एक अच्छा खासा कंसोलिडेशन हुआ, और ये थोड़ा सा एक जो ट्रायंगल टाइप में जो पैटर्न बना हुआ है, यू कैन ऑल्सो से दैट कि पोलन फ्लैग टाइप में जो पैटर्न बना है. इफ यू लुक एट थोड़ा एक कॉम्प्लेक्स इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर टाइप में भी जो पैटर्न बना है, तो इट्स अ गुड साइन कि जब भी कोई स्टॉक ऐसे मल्टीपल चार्ट पैटर्न्स बनाता है, सो दैट इज अ गुड साइन कि वहां से एक रैली आएगी, और अगर वो रैली आती है तो सस्टेन होगी. नाउ स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग एट 755 रुपीज. नाउ वी कैन टेक दिस 765 जोन एज अ कंफर्मेशन कि जब भी आने वाले 2-3 सेशन में, या फिर वेन एवर दिस स्टॉक गिव्स क्लोज अबाउट 765, 770 जोन, नोट डाउन दिस लेवल 765, 770 के ऊपर जब भी क्लोज देगा, only that time we should enter, because that would be a confirmation, and from there this stock can rally towards 850, 920 zone. This would be the immediate target, जो कि almost 20% के ये होते हैं. I'll just remove this. ये towards this it will go 920 की, जो कि 20% की रैली होगी, and after that it can rally towards its all time highs as well, 1250, 1280 के zones में, जो कि almost 60 to 70% की रैली होगी. So make sure to enter into this stock after 765, 770 के ऊपर जब भी क्लोज होगा, वो केस में आप ये जोन्स के लो, मतलब दिस 700 और 680 आप स्टॉप लॉस ले सकते हो, और एक अच्छा खासा अपसाइड का आपको टारगेट मिलेगा. सो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड हैव एन ऑसम टाइम गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच.